From MTECH and Master Cutlery. This is MT-A815. It also comes in an AF model, an AP, and a TK. It's a large knife, has aluminum handle scales, nice texture for grip, has a lanyard hole there, a glass breaking surface there for rescue, can be opened via the opening hole or an index flipper. It is an assisted opener, comes out very quickly. The length of that blade is almost 4 inches. See, it is a tanto tip for strength and piercing ability. It's also a combination edge, liner lock locking mechanism. Very impressive large blade. And as you can see, it comes very sharp as well, so you have some slicing ability, and of course the piercing ability, that tanto tip. Overall, very nice, large tactical folding knife from the MTECH line of Master Cutlery.